Guys, we're live on Bitcoin Cash. Feel free to roll up if you can. Love to have you. Hey, what's good? I don't think we're in a bear market, no. I don't think so. We can look. Not really. I mean, we're just at a really low point. I would say more of the bear market is more like over here. Here's the plus token scam right here. Here was a little pump as well. In February, we actually went up pretty high for Bitcoin Cash. Comparatively to some other cryptos, this actually went up pretty good right here. Guys, we're live on Bitcoin Cash, cryptocurrency. Glad to be here, guys. I mean, we're really running flat against BCH, or Bitcoin Core. You know, it only seems practical that we're doing it right. Guys, I'm live on Bitcoin Cash. I'm doing what I can every night, guys. Getting on here. Happy to be here. Hey, Dino Ponds, welcome back. Smart BCH man. That's what I want to call you. Welcome back, bro. We're live on Bitcoin Cash, guys. We're hovering at like 0.0078 BTC Core. Almost 2% up on it. You know, kind of in this no man's land. For the last couple months, kind of even back here, not much difference. I can zoom out, kind of this range right here that we're kind of in, and I'll be broad, guys. I don't want to give you technical analysis, but this is kind of the zone we're in for the last couple, you know, however long it's been. Between, you know, got another zone right here we've been in for quite a while. You know, just a little bit down. You know, not crazy. Big jumps right here. Man, these were all we really broke out pretty good right here. But we really need to go a lot higher to really clear this right here. We want to get way up there against core, so we know there's a breakout. You know, that could look something as simple as, you know, that. Put it on log, looks a lot different. So this is, I'm just drawing this in, guys. This is not real. Although it could be. You know, it can become real pretty easily. You might say how, why? Just because how fast cryptos move. You know, a lot of people are selling and a lot of people are buying. It'll cause it to go up, but something like that. Guys, we're live on Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash is, you know, even at, I'm just gonna pull up some numbers here. Even if we go up to like where we were before, we're still looking like 3 grand right now. Like even if it's just like right here. So we really need to break out of this zone really to go much higher. Because we've been here before. This was a pretty big jump too. You know, this one is this cool little this is really fun, guys, just going through here and kind of doodling around. You know, it doesn't mean anything unless you want it to. I mean, this is a big breakout right here. We could get another breakout, something similar, and go higher. We're looking at 3,000 to 4,000 per Bitcoin Cash. And that's still maybe nothing, guys. Guys, we're live on Bitcoin Cash, cryptocurrency. We are live. We're literally live, guys. Feel free to drop it in the chat if you're here. I'd love to catch you on a live show. We're here to talk crypto. Yeah, so that's kind of the thing, guys. You know, this is crypto. We could definitely do something crazy here. A lot of, like I said, if enough people are selling and enough people are buying, Bitcoin Cash right now is only 6 billion. That could easily go to 60 billion, 120 billion. 240 billion, 480 billion, and just keep doubling. You know, and I know those are big numbers, guys. You know, that's not just me throwing out numbers. That's legitimately Bitcoin Cash going to essentially $20,000 per Bitcoin Cash. I mean, it might go way higher. It might not get anywhere near 20K. I don't have a crystal ball, guys. I'm just saying, if you look at the charts, it's one of the only coins that's significantly gone down against core. Some people see that as a bad thing. Some people see that as an opportunity. It's all just how you look at it. It's still aiming to be a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. So I don't know if that narrative is still being played on BTC Core. I don't really follow Core a lot anymore. Like, I look at Bitcoin, I just notices as like, you know, just notices the price. But like things on Bitcoin Cash, surprisingly are happening in the background that we don't even see. Transactions that are happening, and they're all in chain, guys. You can look them all up for yourself in the Block Explorer. Dino Pine says bear markets can really take a coin, but BCH is a long-term solution to peer-to-peer cash, so it doesn't worry them. It doesn't worry him. Yeah, kind of the same thing with me. I mean, guys, we're really we're not in a bear market at all for crypto. In fact, Bitcoin Cash hasn't even jumped yet. Bitcoin SV hasn't even jumped yet. A lot of these coins have not even jumped. So yeah, you know, the coin list goes on. There's a bunch of them. Pulling up Lisk right now. You might say, why? Well, it was up 35-40% this week. It went from $2 to over $3. So these are things you're not hearing about on the news. You know, these huge 35% pumps, 40% pumps. And again, 3 month, 6 month. Guys, we're checking out Lisk. 6 months. So these coins can really rise and fall pretty quick. I mean, it went up to $10. It's now trading at $2, so it's basically a 5x from here to get past that. But you see it's been to $35. And a lot of these coin pairs, you know, if you turn it on BTC, it'll trade differently. So there's growth cycles in these coins. You know, you could arguably say, you know, some of them, well, they just go down. Well, they do. Yeah, a lot of them just go down, and then they come back up out of nowhere. We saw that on Classic recently too. So there's different fundamentals that push different coins, I think, comparatively to just like an ERC20 token or like a, you know, a staked coin on like any kind of staking. Now, it doesn't have to be Smart BCH, it can be literally any staking. So here's Ethereum Classic against Core. There's some coins that perform good, there's some that perform bad. But you see Ethereum Classic back here in May did a pretty good jump. I mean, it wouldn't be crazy for Ethereum Classic to do another pretty good jump and put it at about 0.007 at Core, 0.008, which then you're at all-time highs. We saw it on Doge. So we've been seeing it around the board on these coins. You know, even Doge. I mean, look at Doge for the week. It's up like 20, 30%, 40%. You know, who knows where it's going. Roger Ver tweeted for the first time today in a year. What did he say? I don't have a Twitter, so I don't follow people's tweets. Tweety bird. So look, Doge, boom, done. So most of you guys that have been in for crypto a while probably remember this being Doge. You know, I sold somewhere up here, but yeah, dumb, as you see. Didn't make it out of that one. Didn't get all those profits, so. It's really hard to really gauge this stuff too, guys. I mean, you can't really. You know, I didn't plan on not buying Doge again. I just had to cash out some Doge, but you know, you talk about the worst time, you know, before this massive run up. So probably me and a bunch of other people dumped Doge at what we thought was an all-time high. You know, it went down, whatever, and then everybody else got the real jump. So that's just how these coins do, guys. They move when you sell them. They, you know, when you buy them, they drop. But if you just spend them and you use them, you know, there's use cases to them. This is the tweet by him. Today marks the entire year since my last tweet. Oh, he actually said it was his last tweet? That's pretty cool. Think about how quickly the time goes. Make sure you're spending it on important things. Family, friends, cryptocurrency, freedom. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty inspiring coming from Roger Ver. You know, it's true. I mean, a whole year can go by, you know, it goes by fast. So, you know, a whole year you can be on top of the world, and then a whole year you can be down in the dumps. I mean, it really can happen whatever way you choose. So you just got to, so Roger Ver saying, make sure you spend it with important things. Family, friends, cryptocurrency, freedom. So yeah, boom, a year's gone. He just realized it, so he was trying to let everybody know that. It's a good thing to know, guys. I mean, you know, crypto is, you know, you're either in it or you're not. There's no tinkering with it. Even the noobs that are in crypto, a lot of them are really cool. I mean, they're like super into it. So, you know, it's always good to see noobs in crypto that are like really passionate about it. You know, they're still learning about it, but you know, I don't know what degree they go back and learn about Bitcoin Cash. A lot of them kind of have picked up the current trend of crypto, you know, with like Solana, Terra, SHIB, some of this stuff. And it might be, you know, it's good that they're supporting crypto, but at the same time, like, you know, there needs to be a, you know, you really have to search for a lot of this information to find it out too. It's not like it's just written on the internet with a simple Google search. You really have to like dig into it and like really find out what crypto really is to really be passionate about it, I think. I mean, if you're just buying it for speculation, I mean, more power to you if you get it, if you can time the market. But I think in the long term, like, you want to buy coins and basically hold them, and you know, if you have to spend them, pick the ones that are good for spending, like Bitcoin Cash, other coins that have really low fees, Zcash, Dash, use those a lot too. But yeah, you wanna have your whole crypto kind of profile kind of mapped out. Like you have your coins that you hold that you like just want to hold, and then you have your coins that you're spending. I mean, to be honest, guys, I don't like to spend any of my coins, but if I'm gonna spend one, it'll likely be Bitcoin Cash. It just makes sense. I can trade it with people that have Bitcoin Cash, and at least do it that way. And then if I want to pull it out, it's going to be Bitcoin Cash, or spend it with Bitcoin Cash. So the whole idea of it is to spend it, and we're building out all those platforms to make it a more accessible thing. Right now, it's just not in America, but America's not the whole world. There are places that it's like taken off. It's been taken off for quite a while, and you can literally live on it. You can literally live on crypto. You don't have to you don't have to worry about going in and out of fiat, or settling the fiat to pay a bill or something like that. You can just pay it. It gets paid. It's just handled so efficiently and so just to the T of completeness, where it's just perfect. It's like the most perfect transaction ever. So it does all that by itself. It doesn't need permission to do it, or you don't have to deposit money into a bank to do it, or pay a credit card to do it. You literally can just pay crypto and just pay your bills, live off of it, use it as actual money. And I think more of those places are going to arise. Like even in America, you'll have like towns here and cities here that I think Miami will be one that happens pretty fast, like that whole South Florida area. All it has to do is get enough merchants and stuff to start adopting it, and it's kind of a market effect. You don't really have to worry about, promoting it, because it just takes those initial merchants, and then, like I said, there's merchants here that already take it. I can go to Mastro Steakhouse and get a steak dinner and pay with Bitcoin Cash. You can do that at a lot of restaurants, but it's gonna go a lot bigger than it has in the past. Like it's gonna be available at like places you wouldn't even think. Just because the fees, and there's so many incentives for the merchants to do it. Once they find out about those incentives, that's why some of the ones that are trying to stay kind of ahead of the game are already accepting it. Like Mastro's, like I told you, like people come in there and spend money. They want people to be able there and come and spend Bitcoin Cash. You can spend Core there too. You can spend BTC, but there's a lot more wallet support and stuff for Bitcoin Cash, and that's a chain restaurant. So they're literally the biggest restaurant chain in America. To give you an idea, Landry's. And yeah, they accept a Bitcoin Cash, so it's really cool. Go back to the chat, guys. If you're just tuning in, we're live on Bitcoin Cash. Is there anybody in the chat? It says just one person. Everybody take off. I gotta roll the chat, guys. I'm looking at these altcoins. Give me some directions. Send me a sign. Send me one of these altcoins too. I mean, I got support on a lot of these. Send me these crazy altcoins. Pancake Swap, Position Token, Moonbeam, Just, Wink, Steven, Just. Yeah, all these crazy coins just trading, doing their thing. Tezos, guys. So Tezos really down against Core, big time. Really weird. this all here was like before Tezos was even launched. All this right here. I had faded out of this. This is when Tezos was like, I'm not sure exactly when Tezos was launched, but these were the pre-tokens I was telling you about on ℚBTC. So, yeah, guys, we're live on crypto. I'm just going through the damn thing. Guys, hit me up if you're in the chat. It says there's only one person here, so I might bounce out of here. Guys, we're live on Bitcoin Cash, throwing it down for crypto every single freaking night. We're on here. It's Tezos Tuesday again. Uh-oh. They're doing a lot of NFT stuff on this this platform. Watch out, guys. Tezos is real. Woman-led NFT. Heck yeah. We need more women people in crypto. It's good that women are getting involved at this point a lot more. It used to just be a male-dominated space. Now, like a lot of, I mean, there were women in it, but it's grown a lot, which is really good. Guys, I'm live on Bitcoin Cash. I'm a lone ranger on here. It's just me, guys. Me watching myself about talking about crypto. One of my fascinations in this world. So I'm literally live. Come down to the chat. What's good? Come on down. Guys, we are live on Bitcoin Cash. Live on Bitcoin Cash. Means anything's up for discussion, guys. Just bring it on down to the chat. We'll throw it in the chat box and get going. Crypto, guys, busy day everywhere. Things are getting busy. When you know. I'll leave this part of the chat up, guys. I'm just gonna hold the chat open just in case anybody wants to come down. I'm live on Bitcoin Cash, guys. Girls, if you're on the internet and you want to come down to a great chat, come on down. Got a great time over here. So catch us any night of the week. Guys, when I think about financial future, I think about Bitcoin Cash, and I think about how I want to transact and spend money and receive money. It's a system that really makes sense. If you're catching this on a rerun, you're looking at a good project. It might be worth something to look into. As that thing that was going on that Satoshi said, just in case anybody wants to catch on and start using it. It has the ability to scale already. It already scales. It already has a really strong following, community, infrastructure, all the tools in place to make it a growing user demand for payments. It's a crypto that works. I recommend, trying other cryptos. Try to go out and spend them. You can always spend money, fiat dollars, but go out and try to spend a crypto, and just see how really easy it is to send crypto to people. Like actually trade with your friends, just people you want to send crypto to, or whatever reason you need to spend or transact. Try it. Actually use the network and see how fast and reliable it is. And then maybe try to use another crypto if you're not satisfied. Just do some exploring and see the fees and the hassles and stuff you sometimes had to go through just to send a payment using crypto. So that's why I open this chat. People come in and they're new to crypto, or it's whatever. I mean, I really hold this chat open for anybody on the internet that wants to talk about crypto, where we think it's going, what are the ideas and some of the fundamentals that make it amazing, are all brought up on this channel. So I recommend, just because it's quiet tonight doesn't mean we don't have poppin' nights on this channel. You can literally learn so much just by coming here. If it's nobody's on the chat, it's literally just me. So I just go through crypto and just see kind of what's going on. But really, I see it going up, guys. I mean, I really do. All the signs point to just a growing ecosystem, just in general. I mean, these coins are all really, really safe to buy. They're better than cash. They don't have the same, not all of them have the same use cases, so there's different stuff to explore on that. But for the most part, if you buy any of these top cryptos, your money's safer than cash, in my opinion. And I don't think of that as like, oh, I want to buy this because it's going to go up, and then sell that and buy this and do that. No, that doesn't happen in crypto. Stop thinking that if you do. You buy coins that are really, really growing, like Monero. Don't you wish you had some Monero? Zcash. Don't you wish you could have some Zcash? Even projects like this, Metal. Just some of these weird projects that you would think that are just, like, what are they? This is actually a payment system too. It's look into it. It's a payment system. It's built on top of Ethereum. It's got a good community. Check it out. So it's got all this stuff here. But I mean, I don't advise, buying coins that are way, way back. But some of these that actually stay around, that have been here, like ₘₚ Decentraland, Algorand, Theta Token, Dash, VeChain. These are projects that have been around for a minute. So I don't see them going away. I mean, VeChain's been out since basically August of 2018. So so some of these coins go away. Like, I just tried to look up some of these coins. Yeah, they're gone. So some of these coins just kind of exit the space. But like AntShares, Neo, I keep talking about this project. I think this project has the potential to go up to thousands of dollars per coin. And that could happen really soon too, guys, so bear in mind. Looking at it against core. Throw it in the house, guys. I'm live on Bitcoin Cash. If you're catching this chat, I don't know how you found us, but we're glad you're here. Glad that you're in reality, guys, because that's what this chat is, reality. Just to let you guys know, if altcoins make a rally, you're looking at about $574 per NEO coin, just where BTC Core sits now. So think about that. $500, $600 per NEO coin. That's just where BTC Core is at now, which is insane, guys. I mean, really think about that. That's a big deal. Not to mention if Core could go up further, and there you go. It goes up from there. You're looking at, Core goes to 80, you're looking at $1,200 per NEO coin, or, NEO doesn't have to follow Core. I'm just saying, I'm opening up Bitcoin Core so you can see the movements. Yeah, it went up a lot here, and then it went down a lot here, but it can always go right back up, guys. That's what a lot of people don't think of. They just think, oh, it's just down. It's just down. Guys, if you're in the chat, somebody just sent me a bunch of pennies, which I absolutely love. This is amazing. You guys are amazing, guys. Sending me all these payments, penny payments. These are great. Yeah, just sent another one too. 4 cents. Yeah, it's instantaneous, guys. I mean, I get this stuff immediately. It doesn't matter where you're at. I'm not sitting here like a dingbat on Venmo going, oh, when am I going to get my crypto? Or when am I going to get my payment from John Smith? No, guys, I can sit here and I can literally tap and see payments coming in. And it's just the most amazing thing, guys. My QR code's in the top corner, guys. Appreciate you throwing the micro payments. I mean, these are micro payments. I can even go smaller than this on one of my wallets. So different wallet supports will allow you to significantly go smaller with your Bitcoin Cash. Like I can go all the way down to like way under a penny. As long as it's over the transaction cost of Bitcoin Cash, which is well under a penny. Go figure. I can send this stuff around, and basically it's free to send at that point. It's basically free to send already. I mean, it's extremely, extremely cheap. I don't ever notice payments when I move money around. Guys, we're live on Bitcoin Cash. Throw it down in the chat. We got a big tipper in the house. I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 payments. Yeah, so boom, bada bam, bada bam. So, yeah. We're live, guys, on Bitcoin Cash. Promoting crypto. Looks like crypto is at least recovering a little bit today. We kind of went down like, we were down on Bitcoin Cash almost 7% at one point. Recovered pretty nicely on that. So, yeah, I mean, I think new highs in the near term. It's down one day, up tomorrow. Guys, we are live on Bitcoin Cash. Great boy Jay, what's up, my man? I need to get in Telegram, man. I need to get in Twitter too. I've talked about this, guys. Pure laziness. Laziness. I have to use my energy for a very certain amount of things. I know I should be in all that stuff. Feel free to make me one. Feel free to include me in yours. I gotta land some deals, guys. I gotta make my stuff happen that I'm working on. It's way more important than joining any kind of crypto community. I got my community here. I'm out supporting it. If people find me at some point, it'll be great. You know, maybe they'll make it to the chat at some point. I do come up in the YouTube search, and you know, just in general, Telegram is probably a good thing for me to join. But right now, I'm really focused and just laser focused on just making a good business. You know, I can always buy crypto if you have a good business, accept it. So we're doing all sorts of things at my business to build out and use crypto, guys. I mean, that's the ultimate goal. I can talk to anybody about, you know, crypto funds, you know, how to buy real estate. You can purchase, you know, real estate with crypto funds, stuff like that. We're still working on all that. But it is something that I do plan on doing and using in our real estate business at some point. So it's going to be everywhere, guys. I mean, you're going to be able to use crypto. You know, people are already using it everywhere. So I think that'll continue to pretty much grow, and you know, it's just an amazing tool to grow people's financial freedom. I would say that people in crypto that are hardcore into crypto, you know, they really like just everything about it. Like everything. When you hold these cryptos, you use these cryptos, there's just something about it. It's just so fun. You finally feel like you have control of your money. It's not getting out from under you. You have control over it. So that's why I'm on here promoting this stuff so hardcore, guys. I mean, it probably sounds like a broken record, but you know, I gotta open up this live chat. There are people on the internet that stroll on the internet. I met them all the time. And plus all the people that are into crypto that actually just want to talk about it. This chat room is basically for that. So live, guys, on Bitcoin Cash. Feel free to join the live chat, guys. If you're catching us live, maybe you can sleep another day or take a day off from work and come down to the chat. Bring your best ideas. You know, love bouncing ideas back and forth with you guys. You know, it's a great night to get back to the community and just talk about all these great things in this chat. So definitely your host here and your guy here to make it happen for you. So maybe at some point I'll have a Telegram is what I need. Guys, we're live on Bitcoin Cash. This is it, guys. You found us. We are live. Still watching Zcash here, guys. I'm trying to see if Zcash can jump. I'm getting excited for all coins, really. Bitcoin Cash included. Zcash can go above 300. I would say that party's definitely on for pretty much the entire alt community. Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Monero keep going higher. Kind of same thing with Monero. If Monero can edge higher, same kind of thing. We can go over, you know, wherever we were at, 500. But yeah, I mean, this thing can explode, really could. Yeah, I need to get on Telegram for sure. Maybe one of these days, guys. I'm not opposed to any of this stuff. You know, it's just one of these days. I'm on my own. I'm 34, guys. You got to remember. I know it sounds like, oh, dude, you're not old, but you have to find your routine at some point. So I got my perfect routine. I spend the majority of my. Yeah, I'm glad you got the time to do that, man. You know, hopefully soon, maybe if Bitcoin Cash can go to maybe 100,000 a coin, maybe I can have that luxury. But for me, you know, it's about getting as much Bitcoin Cash as possible, as much crypto as possible. And guys, I'm buying all sorts of cryptos, not just Bitcoin Cash. I'm supporting all sorts of cryptos all the time. I have tons of holdings and a whole array of different cryptos. So, you I talk about the ones I like. I'm on one I like right now, Monero. And like I said, if we go to these higher levels with Monero, expect higher highs. Dash, guys, I think a halving's coming up for it. Give me the date if you got it, but look it up. It's coming up here pretty soon, guys. So, boom, Dash, another huge project. It's made it up to $1,400. It was way up, well over $1,000 for almost a month. So definitely take a look at some of this stuff. Dash is actually pretty fast too. So yeah. You look so much younger than 34. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, I've been trying to. It's all about just taking care of yourself, I guess. I mean, I try to take care of myself. I think it has something to do with just working out and stuff. I can send micro tip to my Z. Can you send a micro tip to my Zcash wallet? Yeah. I mean, how would I get to your wallet? If you make it accessible and easy, yeah, I'll definitely send you a micro payment. Just make sure you let me know if it's your shielded address or your transparent address. But yeah, you gotta make it easy for me, man. Because for me to do a Zcash transaction, it's gonna be a little more work than for me to do a Bitcoin Cash transaction. So I'm always openly and freely sending Bitcoin Cash. Me and Bitcoin Jason actually did a Zcash transaction on here before. It's a pretty big ordeal. So yeah, it would probably take 2 or 3 seconds for me to do. So sure, make it easy for me, and I will send you Zcash. Guys, we're live on Bitcoin Cash, talking about Zcash. Hopefully maybe expanding people's profiles, or expanding people's... I don't think he asked you to send one. He just asked you to send one with Zcash. I don't think he asked you to send one. He just said he could send one with Zcash. Send what? I'm confused. Yeah, I thought he will be like 24. No, I'm pretty old, guy. I mean, I'm not old, but 34 is, I'll be 35 this year, so, you know, I probably look younger in this, these videos too, because it's kind of in the dark, guys. It's hard for me to see. Even my photos outside, you know, those can be deceiving depending on the light. So, definitely feel my age, guys. I don't feel any younger than 35, 34. We're live on Bitcoin Cash, guys. We're throwing it down every night, yeah. Bitcoin Cash, throwing it up. So these large pumps on Dash, guys, I mean 275 to 1500 basically. Course of like 2-3 months, you know, it kind of hung up these higher levels above 200. So I think you could visit it again. I mean, honestly, Dash is a great project. I fully support it. You know, I own Dash. I don't really use it as a payment system. It's not as easy as Bitcoin Cash, honestly. There's easier cryptos to use, so I just choose to use the ones that are easier. You know, a lot of wallets don't even support Dash, so it's kind of like, well, I mean, a lot of wallets do support Dash too. I mean, that's not accurate. It's just easier for me to use Bitcoin Cash, guys. At the end of the day, it's just a very easy crypto. You know, it's one of my larger holdings with crypto, so I can always spend it and not affect I'm taking from maybe smaller holdings that I might have in something that I might want to, in my idea, kind of stake. I mean, I'm staking it kind of. I'm just not getting a return other than spot price, but nonetheless, guys, you know, you have all these cryptos. Steam, this was a project that was pumping a couple days ago, so let's see what happened with it. Okay, it pumped, it went down. It's still kind of up a little bit. So yeah, it broke out of a 3-month high, came back down, 6-month high, not yet. It would have to be at 70 cents, but that's not far off considering how much it jumped. So a year, 300%. Yeah, I don't know. We were talking about Zcash. I don't know what happened, but I can send you a Zcash payment. I'm not opposed to it. Just so you know, it's a little more work. Guys, I'll be back. Guys, we're live on Bitcoin Cash. Throwing it down. What are the transaction fees on Doge? Yeah, Doge transaction fees aren't expensive. I don't know the exact fee. Let's find out. Yeah, you're spending about 1 Doge to do a transaction. You can space your amount of Doge really, really small. And at that point, your fees are virtually none. So that's a way to do it if you wanted to save. You know, you could do micropayment. Micropayments and tipping would probably be okay in Doge, honestly, like especially micro tips. You know, where people are tipping like 1 or 2 pennies. You know, at that point, it's virtually free. So it says about 1 Doge from what I'm seeing. It could be wrong. I could be reading the wrong thing. You can check it out. There's probably really, yeah, the Doge transaction fee went up super high. Basically when all the other coins did. So this is in a cent. So this is pretty expensive for Doge right here. Yeah, 1 Doge could get expensive. I mean, it used to be a lot more affordable, but it raised up over 1,500%. So it's going to be kind of expensive to use Doge now, I feel like. I mean, that's pretty expensive for a transaction. Even if it's, you can avoid it. I mean, if you're using a little small amounts of Doge, like you're sending like pennies or 2, but if Doge keeps going up, then that's going to be an inevitable problem too. So these are real life problems in crypto, guys. Nobody should pay an arm and a leg to transact with crypto. It just doesn't make sense. So So 1 Doge for 1,000 bytes of data, roughly speaking. Doesn't matter the price of Doge, it's 1 Doge. Unless it goes up, I guess. Yeah, high fees are never going to be a thing on Doge. If it gets to that level, they said they will change the network. They're not going to make a big fuss over it like BTC Core. Average transaction chart for Doge. Well, it's gone up, guys. It's 1,500% up from where it was at, and it's roughly. I don't have to look at it. I can just look at it here. So we have to look at it. It's roughly, it's under a Doge, so, or no, this is under a penny, so USD, average transaction fee USD, so is that $1 or what? 1, 2, assuming cents? Okay, so here it is down here. So it's about 14 cents, so yeah, it's indeed true. It's 1 Doge. And even these Doge trading pairs against BTC Core and 2 different exchanges, Bit4X and Binance, they're roughly the same. I mean, we're talking about a minor part of a Satoshi, so it's very small. So about 14 cents on, so it's a price of like 1 Doge, but it's just trading different. But yeah, here it is. Here's the transaction for Doge. So yeah, it could be expensive, basically. Yeah, basically, yeah. And these are real life problems, guys. Yeah, it's kind of a tax. So yeah, but I mean, they say they will increase it, but I mean, you know, whatever. I mean, if they do or not, it shouldn't be even discussed. I mean, Bitcoin Cash is already doing this way better. We can check out Bitcoin Cash. So yeah, it's like under a cap a penny right now to transact on Bitcoin Cash. 0.0046, and there's some that are even cheaper, guys. No token, so this isn't going to show it. I'm not seeing a transaction fee on BSV. So maybe back here, let's see. Am I missing it? This is saying point. I'm looking at the median transaction value. I don't think this is accurate. I don't think it's 4 cents to send BSV. It doesn't make. I don't think so. Bitcoin SV. Guys, we're live on Bitcoin Cash. So yeah, Bitcoin SV's fees are really, really low. We're literally looking at they've actually gone down. They were used to be a penny last year. They're under a penny now. Basically free. 420 average transaction fees. There's nothing, so it's under a penny. A lot of good charts on this site. I've never seen this. ₚ This is an amazing site. Damn, somebody's moving some Bitcoin SV. Guys, I'll probably head out of here in a minute. It's getting late. I'm getting exhausted, so I'll head out of here in a minute. Definitely recommend this site, guys. ₚ What a great set. What a great site. This is an exchange. What the fuck? Oh, this is for crypto. This is like a guys, we're live on Bitcoin Cash. Taking off this evening, guys. Just have a great rest of your night. Catch you guys tomorrow.